What's up, everybody? Today is Moto America Day at Road Atlanta. We're gonna walk around, see what's going on, and see if we can find us a place. We're gonna walk through the paddock. I'll get plenty of good video of that. So the race hasn't started yet, so we're just gonna make our way around and see where we want to start up at. Yeah. Braves too. Full Graves exhaust. ZX10.
Could be.
Yeah, there's no camera's going to do it justice how fast they're actually going right there. It looks like Tony Elias. It looks like he's cruising, bro. Yeah, he's moving on. Josh Herrins. There he is, the #1 rider in the Moto America Championship. Super Sport 600, friends. Super Sport 600s. Would be what I ride. me every time. Let's see if it works.
Right now, but it says great California. Another indoor shooter. Let's get down to Hannah, who is on the grid.
I'm here with Sean Kelly. Sean, this is your Moto America Super Sports review. First time in the track. What are your expectations going into today's race?
Well, it's definitely an experience being here. Very happy to have the first weekend here. Really, the expectation is just finish the race and have fun and try to keep on learning and doing our best. Hopefully, at the end of the day, might have fun and all that.
Back together and running.
Talk about this and how that bump has gotten a little bit worse. The bike backs in a little bit. It looks like it maybe went over that bump and had the front brake lever on tipping in. And it was just enough to tuck the front.
Now you'll hear Suzuki takes over the 1 and 2 spot. Tony Elias takes second spot. Now coming after his new teammate Josh Herrins. JDB holds on to third on the 95.
Closing in, sees that he's got company there. He wanted to see who that was.
The rate of the swing arm to the shock, and Tony was able to get more rear grip as Josh Herrins is going to try to trap him. Tony with a look over his shoulder and sees the number 2 go by.
All these guys know that the Gerlach is out. Probably doesn't know that, maybe, unless it was on his board.
Yeah, or unless he saw the bike down.
Watching this on the Jumbotron.
When they came around the lap later, maybe yellow flags. But
I can't see the whole racetrack.
As of right now, he's doing his best to just try to break this group up a little bit. JD's kind of settled into third. Sculpt's fourth. This guy, now he's back. He's how patient Cameron's being right now. Just being pretty patient. Knows that there's a lot of laps left in this race. There's no reason to wear equipment out now that he's caught.
We just got word that Tony Elias is under investigation for possibly passing under a yellow flag, lap 5, turn number 1.
Uh-oh.
If that's the case, we're going to find out if there's a penalty for the 2017 Series champ. Back up front we go. So Tony trying to make a move in turn 10.
There, and right now,
What a race for this team. Just a couple of months ago, and have been working so well. It looks going to accelerate head towards our finish line from 11th to the win. Cambobier, race number 1, victorious. To the line they come, and it will be Tony Elias.
oh man, Tony got him at the line.
Well, that's what our timing and scoring says, but we don't know for the moment. We will double.